Hey hackers! Today we're going on a fast-paced journey into Android security. In just 3 minutes, we'll touch on catching bugs, testing app resilience, and uncovering hidden flaws. Let's dive right in. First up, catching bugs. Bugs often reveal themselves during app usage, but if you're hunting for vulnerabilities, you need to actively monitor app behavior. Tools like ADB and Logcat are great for tracking down issues as they happen. Next, we bring on the chaos. Fuzz testing helps you stress the app by flooding it with unexpected input. Tools like Monkey can simulate thousands of random user actions, revealing how well, or how poorly, your app handles unpredictable scenarios. Automated tools are helpful, but there's nothing like manual inspection. By decompiling APKs with tools like JADEX, you can explore the app's code for insecure configurations or hidden secrets left by developers. Apps don't work alone, they're always communicating. By intercepting and analyzing this traffic with tools like Burp Suite, you can spot weaknesses in how data is transmitted and understand potential points of attack. Turning vulnerabilities into actionable exploits. Finding a vulnerability is just the start. To understand the risk, you need to craft an exploit. This step demonstrates how attackers could take advantage of a flaw. Always remember, do this ethically and only with permission. Squashing bugs before they hatch. The best defense is proactive. Integrating static code analysis and secure coding practices like input validation and proper encryption can prevent vulnerabilities from even existing. A strong foundation keeps your app safe from the get-go. The never-ending battle for a secure app. Security is a continuous process. New threats pop up every day, so staying updated with patches and advisories is crucial. Remember, security is a never-ending battle, but by staying vigilant, you're already one step ahead. Thanks for joining me on this quick dive into Android security. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Stay curious, stay ethical, and keep hacking for good. Until next time.